What I wish I knew during the Texas floods, how fast things can change, and who steps in when disaster strikes. Let's break it down. In early May 2024, Texas was hit by relentless rain, over 20 inches in some areas, flooding homes, roads, and entire neighborhoods. Houston and nearby counties were especially hard hit, forcing thousands to evacuate and triggering countless water rescues. To help, President Joe Biden approved a federal emergency declaration on May 3rd. This meant FEMA could coordinate relief, send federal funds, and help communities get back on their feet. The federal declaration focused on Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, Polk, San Jacinto, Trinity, and Walker counties, some of the hardest hit. Meanwhile, Texas Governor Greg Abbott issued a disaster declaration covering 106 counties, mobilizing the National Guard and state agencies for evacuations and emergency response. So what kind of help is available? FEMA is offering grants for temporary housing, home repairs, and low-cost loans for property losses. There's also federal money to help local governments and nonprofits repair damaged buildings and infrastructure. By May 5th, the floodwaters began to recede, but the danger wasn't over. Saturated ground and more rain kept communities on high alert, and recovery is still ongoing. And just to clear up the rumors, this federal emergency declaration came from President Biden, not former President Trump, as some posts claimed. For Texans, the road to recovery will be long, but help is here, and neighbors are stepping up.
Hey, we all want to scale our business. Hey, I have the answer for you today to help you do that. If you're looking to scale from 5, 6, even 7 figures and beyond, book called Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is type in growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash, and you can download the book for absolutely free. I hope the book helps you this year. Take your business to the next level. Again, go grab the book, growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash. I wish you the best and grow, scale, and win.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.